Hi, are you here for the dorm tour? Come on in. My name is Coda. I am a freshman at Menlo College, and this is my dorm. This is our study side. We keep one side purely for studying, and then the other side is for resting. This is my desk. I keep all of my makeup, and I do my work over here. I'm actually on the tennis team, so I have my tennis stuff over in the corner. And then this is my closet. I have my clothes in here, and just some shoes down there. And this is my roommate's side.
Hi, I'm Rory.
She's on the golf team, so she has her golf stuff over here. And then this is our fridge. We have to keep it stocked up with everything that we need. This side is where we rest. This is Rory's bed. This is my bed. I have all of my stuffed animals and my pillows. We are still decorating, so the walls are a little bit plain, but we've started putting things up under my bed.
I have some storage. I keep my laundry, and I have this little cart filled with some other stuff that I like to keep, and I hide it away under my bed. And then this is our junk drawer. We just keep some extra stuff in here. It's pretty chill.
Oh. Our snack drawer. Yes.
Perfect.
Little tutorial how to get onto the bed. It's pretty high. And yeah, this is our dorm. I hope you like it, and I can't wait to see you on campus. Bye!